Your body has a fat-burning window. It opens exactly once per day. And for most people, it closes before they even wake up. That window lasts approximately 47 minutes. Not 8 hours of cardio, not a strict diet, 47 minutes, where your biology is perfectly primed to pull stored fat out of your cells and burn it as fuel. The problem is not that your body refuses to burn fat. The problem is that you keep accidentally slamming that window shut and you don't even know you're doing it. Today, we are going inside the biology of that window. We are going to show you exactly when it opens, exactly what closes it, and exactly how to keep it open long enough to actually change your body. Let's start with the assumption that is costing you everything. Most people believe fat burning is a constant process. Eat less, move more. The body burns fat all day long. This is not how your biology works. Your body operates in two completely separate modes. It cannot run both at the same time. Mode 1 is storage mode. Your body is processing food, managing blood sugar, and locking energy into fat cells for later use. Mode 2 is burning mode. Your body has no incoming fuel, blood sugar has stabilized, insulin has dropped to baseline, and the body turns to its own fat stores for energy. Here is the critical truth that changes everything. These two modes are not determined by how much you eat. They are determined by a single hormone, and that hormone acts like a light switch. When it is on, the fat-burning window is completely shut. When it finally turns off, the window opens. That hormone is insulin. Think of insulin as the most powerful gatekeeper in your body. Every single time you eat anything at all, your pancreas releases insulin into your bloodstream. Its job is to take the incoming sugar from your food and either deliver it to your cells for energy or lock it away into fat storage for later. But here is what makes insulin so critical to understand. As long as insulin is circulating in your blood, even at low levels, your body cannot access fat stores. Not won't, cannot. It is a biological lock, a physical impossibility. Fat cells have specific receptors that only open when insulin drops below a precise threshold. Above that threshold, the door is shut. The fat stays inside. Research published in Cell Metabolism confirmed that even a small insulin response, triggered by something as minor as a flavored drink or a small snack, is enough to keep fat cells locked for hours. Now here is where the 47-minute window comes from. After your last meal or snack, your body needs time to process all incoming food, clear the glucose from your blood, and allow insulin to fall back to its baseline level. For the average person, eating a standard modern diet, this process takes between 4 to 6 hours after their last bite of food. Once insulin finally drops, the window opens. Your body shifts into fat-burning mode. But most people, without realizing it, eat their last meal or snack just 2 to 3 hours before bed. By the time they fall asleep, insulin is still elevated. The fat-burning window hasn't opened yet. They sleep for 7 or 8 hours, but they only burn fat for the last 47 to 90 minutes of that sleep, right before they wake up. That is their entire fat-burning window for the day. 47 minutes. But here's where most people make their second critical mistake. The fat-burning window that opened overnight, that precious 47-minute biological window, is still open when you wake up. Your insulin is at its lowest point of the entire day. Your growth hormone is elevated. Your body is actively pulling fat from storage and burning it. And then, within minutes of waking, most people do one of these three things. They drink a flavored coffee, they eat breakfast immediately, or they have a small snack. Something healthy, they think. A banana, a handful of almonds, a glass of orange juice. Each of these, no matter how small, triggers an insulin spike. The light switch flips back on. The fat-burning window slams shut, and the cycle resets. You have just ended the only fat-burning window your body had before 8 a.m. A clinical study from the University of Alabama found that people who delayed their first meal by just 90 minutes burned significantly more fat across the day. Not because they ate less, but because they extended the insulin-free window their body had naturally created overnight. The food was the same. The timing was different. The fat loss was measurable.